Hi everyone. I'm going to screen share the part two math website review template. And so one of the first parts of the list that I chose for my list um, was a video, I'm sorry, and it was a rounding numbers to the nearest 10 at 100, and this is for third graders. And the way I would use this in the classroom would be in a lesson that has to do with whole numbers. What I would do is show the video after the lesson to wrap up the lesson with a fun video. And not only will students be excited about it, but in the video, it has problems we can work together as a class and create a fun environment. And also give students the opportunity to turn on in a different way. Sometimes the way teachers teach it, like it's kind of confusing, and maybe the video will like clear some things up maybe I wasn't clear about, and it just be another way of helping them understand the lesson. And also another part is that I would want to probably have the students come up to the carpet in front of the smart board and watch the video together and work the problems out together, like in a like all in a small group, and it'd just be a fun video to do after the lesson, just to wrap up the whole thing. And the students, the third graders would enjoy this. And so for my next one that I chose, um, was a game, and is decimal and addition, subtraction, hidden picture game, and this is for fifth graders. The way I will use this game for my instructional strategy is to use it before the lesson to introduce it. Um, Usually games are used for the lessons, but for this lesson, I'm sorry, usually games are used after the lesson. Well, like where you can just after you're done with your assignment, you can just go play the game. But I would want to use this before the lesson. And it'd be like basically the lesson, there's going to be multiple problems over adding and subtracting multi-digit whole numbers and decimals. And this game will let me see how many students know about the lesson. So it's like an engagement before it's like an engagement before the lesson, to see each student, like how many students are confident, how much they know about it, how much I need at me as a teacher need to review, how which parts I need to dig in deeper. And the picture game is basically where I would just it just gives problems, and and each problem we get right, it would reveal part of the picture, and it's just a fun way to play the game before the lesson, and it'd be it'd be something that fifth graders would enjoy because they love games, and yeah, it'd be a good way to start off the the lesson and use the game before the lesson. And moving on, the two the first strat the first game that I chose was from Caden. It was a good I really like this game, and it was the Shapes Online game for second graders. And the way I would want to use is this game in the class is is during the lesson. Um, like I was saying before, usually like games are after the lesson, after homework assignments. But since it's about shapes, we can do it as a class, I feel. The game was just basically showing pointing out which shape is in the picture, the picture that the game shows. And I really liked it because as a class we can work it as second graders, they love to like how do you say it, point out things with the teacher. So I feel that this would be perfect game for them that we can play together as a class. And um and also it's a fun way to teach the lesson, have a brain break at the same time for the students, because usually during the lessons, students starts to get distracted or bored. So it could be like a time where it's a brain break as well, and we can just use that game to not only uh go over the lesson a little bit or parts of the lesson that we talked about, but it'd be a fun way also to get the students going again, um and see and the game would help that. And yeah, it'd be a fun way for that's one way I would want to use it for. I would want to use this game for. So yeah. The next one I chose was Lindsay's, and the one that she had was the video that I liked. It was a measurement word problem elevator, and it's for fourth graders. Um, I would want to use this before the lesson. Um, I would like to use this video to establish the foundation of what the lesson will be about. And so there will be no material. I would just like um, to use the video just uh, for let the students basically see what we're going to be talking about. And and when the video's done, I would want to do a think, pair, share of what the video was about. So it'd be a fun way of engagement of class discussion, and it will also, like I was saying before, let me see where the students are at. And the video is perfect for that. I feel like the students, all and for fourth graders especially, they enjoy videos, and yeah, this would be a perfect one for fourth graders, and I would definitely want to use this in my future classroom. So that's about it. Thank you.